Hey friends, if you wish to change or set default programs in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select default apps in the right pane. Okay, now you have a lot of default apps. Let us say that I wish to make VLC the default media player. So it will ask me for what format. Okay, so I can select the formats accordingly. Let's say I wanted the default format for this AAC. So I'll click on it and I'll select VLC media player, and then I'll click on set default. And if I wish to reset the options, I can simply scroll down to, sorry, in the default app section. I can simply scroll down and then click on reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.